Sean again. In this video presentation, we'll demonstrate how to convert Graphtec GBD files to Excel, SQL, or Matlab format using the WinDaq Direct Waveform Browser. Supporting all WinDaq file formats, the WinDaq Direct Waveform Browser also allows you to view CSV, TXT, and GBD files. If we click the Choose File button and select a Graphtec or GBD file, you'll see that we can display it here in the WinDaq Direct browser. But we can also save data from that file into one of 4 different formats. To do so, we'll right-click somewhere in the file and choose Set a Time Marker. And then we'll right-click at another boundary and choose Download as CSV, Download as Excel, Download as SQL Database, or Download as Matlab. For this example, we'll choose Download as CSV, specify a file name, and click OK. As you can see, the data between the 2 boundaries is displayed in an Excel spreadsheet in CSV format. In the same fashion, we can set a time marker, right-click at another boundary, and choose Download as SQL Database. And in this case, the file is saved as an SQL data file, which we can then import into an SQL database. You can export just a segment of data, as shown before. You can also export the entire file. To do that, you'll insert the time marker at the very beginning and right-click at the very end of the file. All data between those 2 points will be saved in the chosen format.